Yo guys, what is up? My name is the Unknown Myth, and I'm about to show you my new gaming setup, and it's a version 2, because my other version, gaming setup, other video I did on my gaming setup, is now improved by a lot more now. So I'm still stuck with the same TV and not on Mac, but got some new improvements, and I'll show you in a minute. So, well, this is my back garden, and then this is my bed, a bit messy. And this headset, man, cost around 40 quid, and this headset's mad sick, literally. And then you have a thingy there. So here's my old keyboard, you know. I've got a new one now, and so yeah. So I'll blimmin' now, look at that. This is snow, you know. Jesus Christ. So yeah, that's my typical England weather, and yeah, I'm about to show you the gaming setup I've dreamed of having my whole life. Well, not whole life, but like for a long time now. Let's turn the brightness up. Okay, here we go. Boom! This is my brand new gaming setup. I've got a camera controller, PS4, touch headset, just a normal Sony TV which I normally had, and this bad boy, the RK100 Slim version of the rainbow version, and it is the keyboard, and it is a very good keyboard, very good. So yeah, I'm just going to come out big screen. What do I do? I press the button, escape, there you go. Okay, I'm off that now, and it types very well. You can plug it into the PS4, so you can plug the mouse and the PS4 into the PS4, so you can play Fortnite with a keyboard. And I'm stuck with this piece of junk, this mouse. Unfortunately, my best mouse, my gaming mouse, broke, so yeah. And these are my PS4 games. Some of them don't work, like poor old Black Ops 3, don't work anymore. That I deleted, but Battlefield and Advanced Warfare I just don't play anymore because no one likes it. Well, yeah, no one plays it. So yeah, that is my gaming setup for now. And yeah, so that's a lot of wires down there and all that. So that is my gaming setup so far. Like, flipping hell. Look out here, guys. Like, you got stuff all. So, man, like, blimmin' now. This is just madness. This is spring, you know, guys. This is spring. Just gonna point that out, you know. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Remember to like the video, share this video, and subscribe so we can get to 40 subscribers. And I'll make a new subscriber special and give some shout outs to the people who are very, very good in this channel. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!